Hello students, good morning. We are going to start the new chapter CY 8151 Engineering Chemistry. The first unit about water technology. The introductory part. Water. Water is very important for our life. Without water, we cannot live. So, in this unit, we are going to see about the sources of water, uses of water, what are the types of water, everything. What are the sources of water? Can you give me idea? Yes. Rainwater, surface water, that is water from rivers, lakes, ponds, pools. Groundwater, we take water from the underground, that is wells, springs, aquifers, everything. Sea water, so see, rainwater, surface water, aquifers and sea water. These are the pictures showing the sources of water. See, hand pump water, well water, water from falls, see river water, lake water and glaciers. So these are all the sources of waters. Water treatment. What do you know about water treatment? The process of removing impurities which improves the quality of water, which makes the water for drinking purpose, industrial water supply, irrigation, river flow maintenance and water recreation. So, the process of removing impurities from water and make the water fit, that is called water treatment. What are the uses of water? You know very well, water is used for drinking, used for cooking, used for watering the plants, for the growth of the plants, used for dyeing, that is used in the dyeing industry, and for agricultural purposes, and to wash the clothes. And then you know very well what is hydrological cycle. So evaporation of water from the water bodies such as surface water, sea water, ocean water, and then forms the cloud. After the formation of cloud and condensation, it precipitates down as the rain. The rainwater run off over the surface. This psychological process is called hydrological cycle or water cycle. See, used in the nuclear reactor as the coolant and then used for the preparation of medicines, drugs, etc. And it is used to produce or generate electricity by the use of hydroelectric power process. See, water. What are the types of water? There are two different types. One is hard water and another one is soft water. So in this part of the video, we are going to see the hardness of water types as hard water and soft water. How do we express the hardness? What are the units of hardness? Estimation of hardness. Problems. What is boiler feed water? What are the troubles arises by using hot water in the boilers, such as scales and sludge formation, internal conditioning methods, external conditioning methods, and desalination. Especially, we are going to see in this video up to the units of hardness. What are the types of water? Water that easily give lather with soap solution is called soft water. Water that does not lather with soap solution is hard water. So instead of lather, நுரை ரொம்ப ஈஸியா நொரை ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. ஒரு தண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணி சோப்பு போடுறோம், நொரை ரொம்ப ஈஸியா ஃபார்ம் ஆகுதுன்னா அந்த வாட்டர் சாஃப்ட் வாட்டர். அதுல ஹார்ட்னஸ் ப்ரொடியூசிங் சால்ட்ஸ் வந்து இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். வேறஸ் நம்ம என்னதான் சோப்பு போட்டாலும் நொரையே வரல, அதுல திரியா நமக்கு வந்து பிரிசிபிடேட் மாதிரி வெள்ளை கலர்ல வருது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா அதுல சால்ட், ஹார்ட்னஸ் ப்ரொடியூசிங் சால்ட் பிரசன்ட் ஆயிருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த வாட்டருக்கு பேரு ஹார்ட் வாட்டர்னு பேரு. சாஃப்ட் வாட்டர், ஹார்ட் வாட்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட், differences between hard water and soft water. Yes, temporary hardness, permanent hardness. Temporary hardness mainly due to bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. See the equations. Calcium bicarbonate, when you boil this calcium bicarbonate, it precipitated out as calcium carbonate and carbon dioxide and we get pure water. Likewise, when you boil magnesium bicarbonate, it is precipitated out as magnesium hydroxide, carbon dioxide and we get water. So, temporary hardness can be easily removed by boiling, whereas permanent hardness or non-carbonate hardness cannot be easily removed by boiling because it is mainly due to the chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium ions. Differences between temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness also known as carbonate hardness. Permanent hardness also known as non-carbonate hardness. Temporary hardness mainly due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium ions. Permanent hardness is mainly due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium ions. Temporary hardness can be easily removed by simple method boiling, whereas permanent hardness cannot be removed by boiling. Expression of hardness. Hardness can be expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Why it is expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent? Two reasons for selecting calcium carbonate. One is it is highly insoluble salt, easily precipitates out, so separation is easy. This is the first reason. The second reason, its molecular weight is a whole number, that is 100, so easy to do calculations. So these are the two reasons. The first reason, highly insoluble salt, precipitates out easily, separation is easy. The second reason is its molecular weight is a whole number, that is 100, so easy to do the calculation. Expression of hardness. Calcium carbonate equivalent hardness is equal to weight of salt in milligram per liter into equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. The equivalent weight of calcium carbonate is 50 divided by equivalent weight of the hardness producing salt. This is the formula to express hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. Units. What are the units of hardness? Parts per million, ppm, milligram per liter, Clark's degree, French degree. These are the units of hardness. Let us see one by one. What is parts per million, ppm? The number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 to the power 6 parts of water. 6 parts of water la எத்தனை parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness இருக்கோ, that is parts per million. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு 10 to the power 6 parts of waterல 100 parts calcium carbonate இருக்கு அப்படின்னா then that is 100 ppm milligram per liter. Number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 1 liter of water. 1 லிட்டர் வாட்டர்ல எவ்வளவு மில்லிகிராம் ஆஃப் கால்சியம் கார்பனேட் ஈக்குவலன்ட் ஹார்ட்னஸ் இருக்கு? சப்போஸ் 1 லிட்டர்ல 73 மில்லிகிராம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா 73 milligram per liter is the answer. The third unit is Clark's degree, which is denoted by Cl degree. The number of parts of CaCO3 equivalent hardness present in 70,000 parts of water. 70,000 parts of waterல எத்தனை parts calcium carbonate equivalent இருக்கோ அதுக்கு பேரு தான் Clark's degree. இப்போ 581 parts இருக்கு 70,000 of waterல அப்படின்னா then 581 Clark's degree ன்னு சொல்லலாம். Then French degree, which is denoted by the letter Fr degree. The number of parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present in 10 to the power 5 parts of water. 10 to the power 5 parts of waterல எத்தனை parts calcium carbonate equivalent hardness இருக்கோ அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு French degree. So in the next video we are going to see about the boiler feed water and what troubles arises using hot water in boilers. So we will see these topics in the next video. Thank you all.